Hi, this is Mark Lane from Compass Wave. I wanted to do a quick video here while we're at the ISSA show in Las Vegas and show you guys one of the newest features that we've released for Compass Wave. Over the years, we've taken a lot of requests for our customer questions section. It's a very comprehensive section which you can view on our YouTube channel. Just search for Compass Wave. You'll see all of the questions that we have available or had available in the past. And over the years, we've continued to add to those customer questions per request. But we found that a lot of cleaning companies ask additional questions that didn't fit everyone else's set of questions, so it didn't really always make sense to add them to that list. So what we wanted to do is add the ability for you as a cleaning business to go in here, type whatever question you want, be able to choose the type of question, and I'll go through that, and then associate those to what we call cost drivers. We're very proud of how our time and cost drivers work. It's very extremely flexible with the customer questions that we have built in. And we wanted to make our custom questions extremely flexible to work with the different ways that you ask questions and how you want our estimate tool to work. So I'm just going to go through that quickly. So over here in the Tools section, what you'll see under Time and Cost Drivers, you'll see Custom Questions. In here you can type exactly what type of question or the question that you want to ask. So I'm just going to use the default that we have in here and type in, have you ever used a cleaning service before? The description, that is just so that the customer can have a little bit of a description under there. So if you wanted to put a note underneath the question, you can do that there. The type of questions that we have are available are a radio button, drop down, number input, or a checkbox. So we're going to do a radio button for this, and I'm just going to type in the possible answers box here as yes. Now if I hit the tab key on my keyboard here, it'll go to the next field. You'll see that it appeared in the drop down. I'm going to put in, if they put yes, I'm going to add 0, and in the drop down here you have the ability to either apply it as a percent, dollars, or minutes. I'm going to use this example for dollars, and then on the right you can either add it to the total or you can make it per occupant. For this example, I'm going to choose add it to the total, and then you can either click the button or you can actually just press enter. Then go in here and I'll type in no, hit tab. I'm going to make $100 as my no, so if you haven't used a cleaning service before, I want to add $100 to the total. You can see your options down here. If I hit submit new question, this is going to create the question. Custom questions appear under your preset customer questions, so they'll appear at the end of the estimate tool or the end of the quote tool, which we'll go through here in a minute. Once I hit submit, this is going to redirect me to the View Custom Questions screen, where you'll be able to see all of the questions that you've already submitted into the tool. So as you can see, I haven't created any other questions. If I click on this bar here, it'll drop down. It'll have the question, so have you ever used a cleaning service before? It'll show me the type of question that it is, so for this example we used a radio button. The possible answers, yes. Underneath that we have a description. If the user chooses this option, $0 are added to the total. If the user chooses no, $100 is added to the total. The other thing you can do here too is you can actually delete that question. Now if you've already had someone go through the tool and they've answered this question before and you delete it, you'll still be able to see all of that history within our sales database. The same thing if you click on edit and you actually change some of these cost drivers and say you wanted to make no $200 or something like that, or $50, and you update that question, that's only going to apply to the new estimates or quotes that you put through the system. It won't affect previous quotes or estimates. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through a quick quote here. So I'm going to type in the name. So since this is the ISSA show, I'll just put in the name as ISSA show 2019. I'm going to put in the email of ISSA show at compasswave.com. Address 123 Main Street, Las Vegas. Hit continue. I'm going to put in 2 baths, 3 bedrooms. Hit continue. Yes, I have pets, 2 occupants. I'm going to choose some of these. These are the preset additional questions that I've already chosen in the back end. weekly, and then you can see the custom questions. Now this won't show up for the estimate tool. You'll only see the question appear there. And click Get Quote. If I click on View Prospect, I can click on View PDF. So this will show me, have you ever used a cleaning service before? I answered yes. And if I click on View Calculation PDF, have you ever used a cleaning service before? Yes, increased by $0, which converts to 0. If I scroll down here, you can see that the custom question additions is showing up as 0. Now if I would have chosen no, this would show up as $100, and that would have added $100 to the total quote that I put through the system. We're going to do a more in-depth video on this in the next couple weeks here, or sooner. But if you have any questions, feel free to visit compasswave.com. We have a little chat bubble on the right-hand side that you can reach our support team at any time. You can also email directly at support@compasswave.com. Have a great day.